In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Optifine on Minecraft Fabric. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I have Fabric loaded into Minecraft. You can tell by looking at the bottom left corner of the screen, and if I go inside of any world, I'll be able to showcase the performance and the fact that Optifine and other performance enhancing mods are installed. So you can go inside of any world, start playing, and you will notice a difference. So to get these two mods to work together, what you have to do is download a specific mod pack. So as you can see, it is going to be this mod pack by Creantor. So go to Modrinth and look for OptiFabric. If you look for OptiFabric on Google, you can find it here. Now click on download. What you will notice, however, is that when you download this, it isn't going to be a standard file that you can just drop inside of the mods folder. This is supposed to be a mod pack. So what we have to do is first convert it from the format here into a file that we can use. To do this, go to this website, mrpack2zip. Modrinth pack to zip converter. This is made by Tutoriali, so credits to them. So in here, you will load your optifabric.mrpack file. So you click on choose file, you open the mrpack file that you downloaded. And once you do this, it is going to convert it into a zip. So it is going to look like this. Inside of the zip, you will have the mods folder that has all of the mods that we're going to be using and also configured defaults. Now, assuming that you already have Fabric installed, all that you have to do is go over to .minecraft and then drop these two folders into the .minecraft folder. So this is where Minecraft is installed. Just drag and drop. If you still need to install Fabric, then you will go over to the Fabric website and choose the option to download the installer. When you open it for the first time, it's going to look like this. You choose the Minecraft version, run the game once to make sure that it is working, and then you do these steps that I described of dragging and dropping the folders from the converted zip using this website into .minecraft. And once you go inside, you will have all of the performance enhancement features from Optifine alongside Fabric. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.